a great time to be a UX designer because all these new technologies do need to be designed and considered from the point of view of the user in order for them to be successful for people, and that's where we come in because we design things for people.
So today, innovation in technology and business is happening like super fast.
The shift from features to experience is upon us. We observe it, we welcome it.
Products are often designed by engineers, but they are used by, well, cavemen.
I did want to make sure to introduce all of our judges.
Trying to build a culture for smallness in a very large environment is really key to the success of really great design.
To me, the question isn't about necessarily solution as much as it is about answering a really interesting question.
Work & Co., Virgin America's responsive redesign. Come on up.
I think it's so great to see this bright light in this experience that a lot of us have to do and we usually associate with misery and thinking, I can't wait to go and book my next ticket on Virgin America. It's so fun.
You gotta say, 14 billion data points a day and making that something that people can understand, that's amazing.
I think a lot of us appreciated the beauty and the rationality of the motion and the metaphor that was in a lot of the apps and the software.
Everything was structured around starting with a model first, and we wanted to start with red. So it was always around finding a red car.
So now we're going to get into silver.
It's not easy to do responsive web well. I can't imagine how hard it is to do it in 2 different languages.
Lush Handmade Cosmetics, also by Method.
I think what really kind of grabbed me was the way that you applied UX methods to, taking a concept out of the lab.
It's a totally new product category, so there was no bearing other than to trust the process.
Next up, we're going to go into the Bronze Awards.
You can tell that you guys are passionate about what you're doing, and a lot of really fun details.
The NEWPORT Folk Festival app for the most authentic experience.
We all, as a culture, need people, and in particular designers, to think about the theoretical future.
Moving right into Best Student UX. You guys should come on up, the other students. Come on up. Come on up. Honorable mention for the Secret Admirer goes to the EVENTBRITE reserved seating seat designer application. Honorable mention for the People's Choice goes to Project Drive by SAP Ireland. So now we're going to get into the 2 crowd voting winners. American Express serves a responsive web UX framework, the UX redesign of the leading Tel Aviv blog, Mavese. We'd like to honor Kennedy and OSWALD. We also want to honor Cardio Arm. Next up, we have SwiftKey. And our final honorable mention goes to 10,000 Feet.
Each of these projects really represent a moment, right? They represent a moment of great craftsmanship, a moment of great opportunity, a moment of great execution.
Thanks for coming to the 2014 UX Awards.